They come too quick.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
I wet the jungle, dunga, one. Blaze done, I'm at the place, you know. I hear the best comedy.
Almighty push.
Alright, so what going on, people? It's your boy Blaze and I'm here Monday, you see me? As you can see, Juggler at the back of the camera, we are doing an epic video. We are asking ladies them
what problem do women have in bed with men?
so watch you know, stay tuned and we drop more content. So make sure you drop a like, share and subscribe. You see me? We out here. Need like a thing there.
I don't think you wanna go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna go off the deep end.
Alright, so we here with
Maya.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what problem do women have with men in bed?
What problem? I don't find a problem with the person I have. Never found a problem before. So I don't know.
Oh, so like you not have like friends where we have problem with them boyfriend or something like that?
Yeah, she just did have one problem with this one boy because his body is small.
What may I deal with you?
You just deal with me trunk.
That's all. But otherwise,
Seriously? Why she do that? Like
I don't know. But
but tags here? You have an Instagram where you want to show it on?
yeah, Maya MOYAH.
Alright, so you hear that? Maya MO.
YAH.
Alright, so now go over there, go follow her here. Alright, thanks here. Alright, so we're here with
Tracy.
okay, Tracy. So the question of the day is, what problem do women have with man in bed?
Alright, so someone can't stay long.
Can't stay long, what you mean?
Them can't go long.
Something alright?
Seriously, so if they can't go long, that's a problem?
Yeah.
We can last like 30 seconds, you know, so what that no damn be one problem?
And then some of them soft, and some of them are small penis, so I can't work it.
But me have small penis, so what that go for me?
But you know, then you can use it.
Well, me know if it work it.
Oh, that's different. When you know if you use it, smaller you know if you use it.
Oh, so me not clear then.
I like where this is going.
Alright, so you have an Instagram where you want to show it out?
No.
My Instagram? No. YouTube? Facebook?
You don't come from planet Earth.
Alright, thanks here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here with
Nicole.
Nicole. You have a beautiful name, Nicole. Okay, so the question of the day is, what problem do men have with women in bed?
This is Stella calling.
Randy in position for another curb stop.
Okay, so we're here with
Rachel.
Rachel. Okay, Rachel. This question is a subscriber asked question.
Okay.
What's the problem do women have with men in bed?
They come too quick.
Me like a style deal with.
What may I deal with you?
You just deal with me trunk.
I mean, come to me. Like, maybe.
Uncle, I can't go pay your show.
Seriously?
Why not outside?
Alright, seriously, finish the question. Alright, when they come to me. That not alright for you?
Oh, if you are, no.
Something alright?
I mean, like, you have someone who can last like 30 seconds.
Well, I'm not lucky enough to buck up them on Monday.
I mean, last 30 seconds, you know?
30 seconds at a time.
What if they can't do the job right?
That make it even more. That's why I'm going to want it longer because they can do the job right.
Oh, so you need men who can stay longer.
Yeah.
Oh, me understand, man. Me understand. So, like, you have an Instagram where you want to shout out? Or anything? Facebook? YouTube?
I don't want to.
Oh, so you're not on...
Yes, I am, but I don't want to.
Okay, alright. Thanks, here. Wait, one a camera from. I'm afraid that camera in a 2021, brother. Yo.
You're off.
See it, brother.
You're off one.
Yo, right now, okay. Yeah, tell you, we got KFC to see if we can get some fish there.
Yeah. Much burger do with this shop?
I don't know. You buy one burger, brother.
Alright. You not buy no?
That's one burger, dog. Look at it.
Just buy two da, just buy that. Me run it camera. All this one. Just buy what? Whopper. Yeah man, buy a Whopper man.
Oh, that you want the piece.
Which one?
Wait, which one? Wait. What off you are?
All on there.
Go on.
Yeah man, juggler day in a place to eat. Yeah man, we say Kyle get that brown in. Clean yo, red youth. Yo Kyle, brother me yeah want touch a photo me. Yeah brother when me see girl I get the girl brother. Cause me did not look at girl no. Jesus please. Wow, your skin clean brother. We reached on the seat Kyle there you know. Juggler. Let me get my brother. Brother, I'm not lying, we need to get nobody today, you see me? What is it? We need to get nobody today, brother. Yeah, oh yeah, watch it for me?
Watch your
Yo, me like the first one, Tino. Yeah, the watch it over? Okay. Yo, you tell about you? So we shot. Like my tell you? Girl, just wicked, brother. Alright, people, you have made it to the end of the video. So, I want to make sure you say, drop a like, share, and comment. Because we couldn't get nobody else, isn't it? So, we end up after they going now. We go buy one burger. So, we are go back down there now. So, you know what I think, though? Kyle ever came here. You make sure you go subscribe to Kyle Comedy. You see? Big up on yourself.
Gyal a session on the ambula with cheese. Bring out the flow, credit put on the plan. Let her run so me call up a flow. Gyal a say me cheat, can me reply slow. Gyal a say she want Insta Netflix. So me tell her go buy a chicken and chips. Run down to Miss Maggie, go get the key. Tell her